Welcome to HARO Education DH6.cu, we're your ultimate guide to studying abroad in the top destinations USA, Canada, UK, and Australia. At HARO Education, we specialize in personalized study abroad consulting, from visa strategies and scholarship hacks to university admissions and premium English training programs designed to help you ace IELTS or TOEFL and thrive overseas. Our channel delivers actionable tips you won't find anywhere else in the country, specific insights, get the latest updates on education policies, posts and job opportunities in each country, student success stories, real experiences from HARO students who've conquered scholarships at Harvard, Toronto, Melbourne, and Oxford, free English mastery, weekly live classes, vocabulary builders, and interview simulations tailored for academic success. Join 10,000 global dreamers who trust HARO Education DH6.cu to turn their study abroad goals into reality to study in Canada. Whether you're navigating complex visa processes or polishing your English skills, we simplify every step. Subscribe No Obview for exclusive webinars with immigration experts and university reps. Drop your questions below. We answer every comment.